So I had the pleasure today of going on a lean tour to Adman Steel Sheds in County Wexford. I was invited there by Paul Nolan, the owner managing director. And the first part of the day was at the morning meeting, and the meeting was really high quality and great facilities and a great spirit and atmosphere within the team. So the guys were doing some innovative things with their morning meeting. They had this agenda point, the hardest thing, where people had to describe what was the most difficult thing that they were doing and therefore where was the opportunity for improvement.
Hello.
Hey, this is Peter.
Nice to meet you, everyone.
Yes.
This is trolley. Every section have a color. And every section where we make some things have the same color.
Oh, I see yellow there.
And yellow, this is
Green there.
Blue, this is Gabriel.
Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah.
Green, this is roof and side.
So what's that? Green is what?
Green, side and roof. Then everything gets and then we don't need measure last time to find some things. Same story and docket.
Oh, fuck.
Docket. Or not this.
So the same scheme.
Next docket have every color here. Then machine shop, same. Don't need know it where. Find something then.
So you're blue, you're green.
Yes.
That's fantastic. Love that, Peter. Brilliant job, mate.
Account. Obviously we have to find our order first, so we have our jobs folder here, which goes straight into the customer files. We'll find our order printed off. We'll then go into the net pay, which I have created a folder here, so we have all of our accounts in here. I go in there and I have all of my stuff saved here that I can log straight in.
So you have your username, your password.
Everything's there.
But then there's also a security word that I just know myself, but it just saves us time printing that out, or typing all that out. That used to take me, I think it was about 2.5 minutes to log into. You know, it's only a 5-second job now, but it's saving time on the phone to a customer more so than time doing the work.
Probably email and quotations.
Email and quotations.
So if you have 5 or 6 different products.
There's my email templates. I have a heap of email templates here that we use pretty much all the time. So you can see here I have customers that'll be email link confirmations. When they send in their confirmation, we just reply to them. And in here I can press my order confirmation. It's a standardised email that I have typed up here, and I just have to press one button. I'll put in their name to make it their own and send it. We use that all the time now. It's the second point of contact to let the customer know what's going to happen from that point, so they know that we're going to be in contact 10 days before the ship goes out, what we're expecting at that point. And like I said, there's another point of contact. And we have the usual stuff then that comes in with our quotes. So the same thing we'll have standardised quotes for a lot of sheds. The same I have all saved here for the different style shed we'll be selling. And I'll press that in there. And to make this standardised, put in the customer's name, the size shed and the price, and press send. We could have 30 or 40 of those a day a lot of the time. That used to take about 3.5-4 minutes to type up one of those emails. Now it takes maybe 15 or 20 seconds, so it's a lot of time saving ourselves here.
Some job.
Remember we started.
But it's all good.
This is what I set up here then, right? So you have all the areas divided up. The jobs listed out for the day, what the lads are going to do in each area and when they're going to do it. And over here you see who you have on hand. So these guys here in pink are going to be the guys on the overnight shift. Anyone on this side is either absent or on holidays. And then you can drag your guys over here. You can give each supervisor the men they need for the day, and then they take off their jobs outside. Again, this is a live system, so Alan doesn't have to go outside to see what's been done. He can stay here and the guys will highlight it off and he knows exactly what's happened.
Some job. And I was delighted to see some GembaDocs in application. So this is one the guys are using for their vehicle walk-around check for the company trucks. And that comes in here, that's the check that you do?
That's a walk-around check every day.
Basically, the guys, this is a vehicle walk-around check. So
Before anyone jumps into a truck, they expect them to complete this walk-around check before it leaves the yard, okay? And this is the guy as the house there.
Super.
Me, right? What used to happen here before, we used to put these codes in here, right, which is the access code. When I was scheduling fitters trucks and trailers, I used to have to go through all these orders the week before to check the codes. It was really good.
You know what the other big benefit to that is that when the fitters see 3, so their expectations are managed before they get there.
They know it's not an easy one.
Exactly. And also, they're tapped into that offered access videos, so they can tap into customers' name and to see a couple of days before they go what they're dealing with. So
I think it's
So then, just to finish off, we're back out onto the shop floor, and whilst the guys have made lots of progress, they know that there's a long way to go and that road will never end. So I just want to thank Paul for inviting me and all the team. What a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make standards fast and easy, visit GembaDocs.com or download our app on Apple or Google Play stores.